Before buying a pasta pot with a strainer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Gotham Steel 5-quart pot. The Gotham Steel 5-quart stock pot caught my eye immediately with its sleek copper finish and non-stick ceramic surface, priced at just $28.99. If you want a simple solution to cooking and draining pasta without the mess, this is worth a serious look. What really stands out is the built-in strainer lid. You can pour boiling water directly into the sink without needing a separate colander. Plus, the twist and lock handles give you total control, so you won't spill anything. With a capacity of 5 quarts, it's perfect for family meals. This pot has a solid 4.5-star rating from over 14,100 reviews, which says a lot about its popularity. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get a hassle-free cooking experience without sacrificing quality, and it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Now, some people complained about the pot being a bit lightweight, which could be a concern if you prefer something heavier. Here's the thing though, while it might feel less sturdy, it actually makes it easier to handle, especially when you're pouring hot water. It's a trade-off for convenience. This is perfect for you if you want an easy cooking solution without the fuss of extra dishes. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty pot to withstand years of abuse. At this price, it's a great value for what you get. Now, if Gotham Steel's lightweight design concerns you, the next option is a bit more heavy-duty. Product number 2, All-Clad Simply Strain Multi-Pot. The All-Clad Simply Strain Multi-Pot is a game-changer, priced at $99.95. If you're serious about cooking and want a pot that lasts, this one deserves your attention. This 6-quart pot features a built-in straining lid that locks in place, making it simple to drain liquids after boiling or browning meats. That means no more awkward transfers between pots. Plus, it's oven-safe up to 600 degrees F, which is perfect for recipes that start on the stovetop and finish in the oven. With a 4.7-star rating from over 843 reviews, you can trust that it performs well. However, some users mentioned it's a little pricey compared to others. I'll be real with you. While it is an investment, the quality and performance you get make it worth it in the long run. You're paying for a pot that's built to last. This is ideal for serious home cooks who value durability and performance. Skip this one if you're just looking for something basic or if you're on a budget. But for the quality, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious cooks. Product number 3, Gotham Steel 5-quart Cream Pot. The Gotham Steel 5-quart pot, this time in a cream color, is a steal at $26.99. If you want a stylish and functional pot without breaking the bank, this is a great choice. Just like its copper counterpart, it has a built-in strainer lid that allows you to drain pasta easily without needing a colander. The twist and lock handles ensure you can pour without spills, and its non-stick ceramic surface makes food release easy. It's lightweight and perfect for quick meals, with an impressive 4.4-star rating from 903 reviews. It's a reliable choice if you want something functional and easy to clean. On the downside, some users pointed out that the cream color can show stains more easily than darker options. But honestly, this is fairly common with light-colored cookware, and a quick wash usually does the trick. This is perfect for you if you want a beautiful pot that performs well for everyday cooking. Skip it if you need something that stays pristine after heavy use. For the price, it's a fantastic option. Now, if the color concern bothered you, the next product on our list is a more neutral option. Product number 4, Etex 5-quart pot. The Etex 5-quart pot is priced at an attractive $22.05. If you're looking for budget-friendly versatility, this pot has a lot to offer. This pot comes with a strainer lid and dual strainers, which means you can easily strain pasta or other foods right in the pot. The non-stick ceramic surface is designed for easy food release, and it even works with metal utensils, which adds to its durability. Plus, it's dishwasher safe. With a 4.6-star rating from 583 reviews, it's a popular choice among customers looking for an affordable option. One concern some users had is that the handles might feel flimsy. Here's the thing though, as long as you're not overloading the pot, they work just fine and really make draining easy. This pot is perfect if you want an economical choice that performs well for a variety of cooking tasks. Skip this if you need something that can handle heavy-duty cooking or multiple uses for years. Overall, it's great value for the price. Now, if you want something with a bit more heft, let's check out our last option. Product number 5, Cuisinart 6-quart pasta pot. Lastly, we have the Cuisinart 6-quart pasta pot priced at $55.87. If you want a solid, reliable pot for serious cooking, this one should be on your radar. This pot features a convenient straining lid that makes boiling and draining a breeze. With its stainless steel construction, it distributes heat evenly, so you won't have to worry about scorching your sauces. The measurement markings on the inside are a nice touch, helping you get your proportions just right. It has a 4.6-star rating from 703 reviews, proving its worth in many kitchens. Some folks have mentioned that it can be a bit heavy. Honestly, while it might not be as lightweight as others, that weight means it's solid and stable when cooking, which is something many cooks appreciate. This is perfect for anyone who values quality and reliable cooking. Skip it if you prefer a lighter pot for easy handling. For the performance and build quality, it's definitely worth the investment. So to wrap it up, if you're looking for budget-friendly options, Gotham Steel's pots are fantastic. For those who want durability, all clad in Cuisinart shine. And if versatility is your goal, Etex is a solid pick. Each has its pros and cons, but it all comes down to what you need for your cooking style.